I will discuss rates, wage rates for hourly employees who work at different companies. Now, an appropriate wage rate helps the company to calculate gross pay for each employee. There are three kinds of wage rates. The three rates are regular, overtime, and the third is double time. The regular rate applies to hourly employees who work up to 40 hours per week. The overtime rate is applicable when an employee works more than 40 hours per work week. For example, an employee works 43 hours during a work week. The 40 hours worked involves the regular rate, and the 3 extra hours worked are considered as overtime hours during the same work week. The overtime rate is now applied. The double time rate applies to employees who work during weekends or holidays. The regular rate is equal to the rate that an employee ordinarily earns. The overtime rate is calculated as 1.5 times the regular rate. The double time rate is calculated as 2.0 times the regular rate. I will show you some examples. $10 per hour regular rate is displayed. Overtime and double time rates are calculated. Overtime rate is $15 per hour. And why is that? It's 1.5 times $10, the regular rate. That's $15, which is the overtime rate. Double time rate is $20. And why is that? It's 2.0 times $10, the regular rate. So it is $20 per hour. Two more examples are shown. Regular rate $20, overtime rate is $30, and double time rate is $40. The next example that is shown is regular rate is $25, overtime rate is $38, and double time rate is $50. So in conclusion, you need to know the differences between regular, overtime, and double time rates when calculating gross pay.